English can be a difficult language to learn if it's not our native language. As adult learners, we need safe and supportive atmosphere to practice and use it in our conversations. Despite that, we can read, write, and understand English very well. We become conscious when it comes to speaking English fluently. To meet this challenge of being able to practice English speech and learn functional grammar, I founded TalkSmart. TalkSmart is an online spoken English club for adults from India. Hi, I'm Shipra, your English language coach and consultant. I have been teaching and training the subject since 1983, and I recognize that my adult learners need a supportive environment where they can speak better English. Therefore, I have designed a program that equips them with English speaking skills for life. I'm excited to tell that I have created an online program through WebEx conferencing in order to give that very environment and confidence. It's very easy. All you need is your laptop or webcam equipped mobile device and an email ID. When you will register for my club on my website and become a member, I will send you an invitation to join me for interactive sessions. It's online video conferencing like Skype called WebEx, where we can interact face to face through a virtual meeting experience using a whiteboard and instant file sharing. There are three kinds of sessions you can join: group sessions, one on one sessions, and two on one sessions. All these sessions are offered for three levels of learners: beginners, intermediate, and advanced learners. Beginners will learn vocabulary of about 3,000 words and 300 regular and irregular verbs, a functional knowledge of grammar in tenses, reported speech, idioms, and phrases, etc. Intermediate learners will become accurate, fluent, and confident in their spoken English. Advanced learners will improve their business English. They will practice their presentation skills, public speaking, and participation in group discussions. I offer free group sessions, especially for people living in India. Send in a request form in my contact page and reserve your spot. You have to do it as soon as possible because these free sessions are limited due to time difference if you live outside of US. It's possible that a time that's convenient for you may have been reserved by someone else. In such cases, I'll invite you for next available spot at my earliest. Registrations for new batches are open now. Reserve your spot. I will invite and include you in the next available slot of your desired group, one on one, or two on one sessions soon. Until we meet again, be good to yourself and let's talk smart.